The most important business case for you is take a look at S4HANA. See what does S4HANA offer you to your company.
According to ASUG, less than half of respondents to its latest poll said that they are on SAP S4HANA already.
Clock is ticking. The support for the previous good old business suite will be ending, and the resources that are capable to support you are restricted. So we are doing our part to educate everyone that is interested, but nevertheless there is a bottleneck. So it's better to start early.
With the 2027 deadline for end of maintenance for SAP ERP fast approaching, there is no better time to get started on your SAP S4HANA implementation.
Switch on to S4HANA to the standard code, then SAP does the maintenance for you. You do not need a bunch of ABAPers trying to maintain it for you, and those ABAPers can be freed up to do even more innovation.
If you're in the planning stages of an SAP S4HANA project, let our books help you. They're written by experts working for SAP in areas like SAP S4HANA architecture, SAP Activate, and more. Whether you're looking to start from scratch with a greenfield implementation, or want to take your existing SAP data forward with a brownfield or selective data transition approach, we have something for you. Learn about the SAP Activate methodology and then dive into individual areas of SAP S4HANA with intros to lines of business. Want the whole library of project books? Our full subscription gives you access to all of our ebooks for one low price. Subscribe for as long as you need to get your new system set up and working. To see all of our books and learn about each, visit our website at sappress.com.